ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ನೋಡಿ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ 2:15 ಎದ್ದಿದ್ದು 7:30.
ಸರ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಸರಿ.
Court officer, good morning. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir, audible, sir. Yes,
Thank
sir,
you, madam.
audible,
Thank you very
audible.
Thank you. Thank you. क्या देखो क्यों कोर्ट को मैं कोर्ट को सकते हूँ बोला ना क्रिएटिव जॉब कर तुम ना बोल रहे क्यों आई नहीं है देखो अभी मैटर है क्या करना ये बैंडेज नहीं पहनना चाहिए
ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗ್ರಾಬಿಂಗ್
Sir, audio mute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, sir. Live ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. Already filed.
This is a writ petition regarding land grabbing court. A fresh matter. I have filed a writ petition. My statement of objections has been rejected by the land grabbing court without accepting and posted for evidence.
Put
That-
for?
Evidence.
When is that?
My lord, it is listed on 3rd September.
12th September.
Please,
We'll have it on Monday,
please.
My lord,
Monday. Yes, ma'am.
this is a writ petition, my lord. We have filed challenging the order of the State Consumer Forum. We are the opposite parties in the Consumer Forum. On 18/6, the matter was fixed for the complainant's final arguments, my lords. I am the opposite party. The complainant has come and argued without giving me an opportunity to argue. The State Forum has passed an order without hearing me. I was late to the court, which is why I couldn't appear on time. I was late, but I was present. The State Consumer Forum has passed the order, my lords, without hearing me, which is what I'm challenging in this writ petition, my lords.
They have passed the order?
They have passed the order, my lords.
Okay, it's against you.
It's against me, my lords. I have already filed an
Now,
IA
what
for
is
recall.
is there any period for compliance?
My lords,
Period given by the state commission for compliance?
my lords, no, my lords.
Tell us one thing, will you now file a writ or you should go to the National Commission?
My lord, I'm coming before my lords on the aspect of principles of natural justice, my lords, not on the aspect of merits. I'm only on the aspect of principles of natural justice. Monday, my lords.
But what is the date period for compliance?
My lord, that I'll have to. I
Should
have
see
to
the
check.
order,
Please,
na?
Please.
So when was the order passed?
18/6, my lords.
18/6. We'll have it later. Let's see next week.
Monday, my lords.
We'll see it, ma'am. Surely we'll give you a short date.
Please.
We'll give you a short.
And lots,
Our roster, ma'am. Yes,
my lords, this is a writ petition regarding Arkavati layout, my lords. The stay has been granted, my lords. So I have filed a vacating of interim order, my lords.
by whom?
My lords, it's
Who has given the stay?
my lords, this
Fresh.
honorable court has the coordinate bench has given stay, my lords.
No, is it part of this roster? Just
Yes,
take
my
see
lord.
that, ma'am.
My lord.
Sir, classification.
Yes,
My lord, I'm appearing for appellant. I filed a writ appeal. My lord, in this matter,
is it a fresh appeal?
a fresh appeal, man. Actually,
This would not be here in this roster.
supposed to file at court hall number 1.
Huh,
They sent me at, there was no setting, that's why I
that's
filed.
right. No, but what is the urgency?
Urgency, I can tell you. Madam, actually, we have filed a WP under this court.
We have
So
filed?
you have filed already WP. So imposed order passed by this honorable court. So my lord, in this matter, stranger is KDB matter, actually it's KB matter. Stranger is granted wrongly property, what is the compensation granted to wrongly to the stranger person. So we already filed the memo. So that's why this not consider our application in WP.
The urgency.
Very urgent. Also, it's a second time is already released the fund. So third time is also expecting the releasing funds, my lord. That's
By-
why it's very
by-
urgent.
By
to our-
what time?
My lord,
We'll do one thing,
Yeah.
just move before the Honorable the Chief Justice. This court doesn't have the roster,
okay, my lord.
okay?
Okay, my
Just move it before the Honorable the Chief Justice. That would be appropriate. Okay?
lord. Okay,
Thank you.
thank you, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Court hall one matter.
Huh?
I'm moving.
Is it part of the board today?
No, your lordship, I'm moving a fresh memo
Okay.
for the preliminary contempt matter.
Just ma'am, take that.
The
It's a
urgency-
contempt petition.
Yes. Your Lordship. There was an order passed by this honorable court.
What is the urgency?
Yes, your lordship, there was an order passed by this honorable court in a public interest litigation to retain the land as the graveyard. An undertaking to that effect was also given. In disobedience to that order, now they are constructing an overhead tank on that land.
They have started?
Yes, they have started.
When did they start?
Your lordship, they have started this early this month. We gave a police complaint. They did
You
not
do one
stop.
thing, better move to the Honorable Chief Justice, possibly day after tomorrow. Okay?
In view of the urgency,
That's right. Even if it is ultimately they have start constructing, if it's in violation of the order, that same can be removed.
yes,
It's
they
not
have
so
tried.
urgent. Okay? Thank you. Yes, call the listener.
My lords, one adjournment to be moved, my lords. List
Yeah.
number 2, serial number 44. My lords, list number 2, serial number 44. Due to my personal inconvenience, my lords, I pray for a week's time, my lords.
So this is
I'm for the petitioner.
Colonel CP Muthanna.
Yes, my lords. Yes, my lords.
What is, you want to mention for an adjournment?
Yes, my lords. One
Just
week,
wait,
1 week
wait,
time.
Wait for 10-15 minutes, we'll reach that place.
Sorry, my
Just
lords.
wait.
I'm sorry, my lords.
Number 1, my lord, adjournment, my lord.
In-
This number 1.
We'll just come back. Let's first be through with the list 2.
Yes.
Yes, start, ma'am.
List number 2. List number 2, serial number 1, Shri Rajshekar.
Re-notify on
My lords, kindly 3 days may be granted, my lord, for the compliance of the office objection.
We'll just give you date, just clear the objections. Just
Much
go ahead and start.
23-9,
Much obliged.
serial number 2. Shri Arun Kumar,
Re-notify.
24-9, serial number 3, government advocate.
My lord, in this matter, it's October 2023, there was an order, my lords, within 10 days, they have to hand over possession. After we filed a contempt petition, they filed a writ appeal. A short date is what I request.
They have not handed over.
They've not handed over.
Believe it, we'll just there, give a short date.
Okay.
9-9,
Grateful, my lords.
serial number 4, Shri
Re-notify.
Manjunath,
Just give the dates.
25-9, serial number 5, party in person, Shri Sharan Desai. Party in person, serial number 5,
Re-notify.
26-9, serial number 6, Shri Venkat Reddy. 26-9, serial number 7, Shri Chandrasekhar Babu. 30th September, serial number 8, serial number 8, Shri Sanjeev BL.
Re-notify.
30th September, 9, Srimati Pratima.
For the petitioner, my lord, kindly seek for an adjournment in the second or third week of September.
24-9,
Much obliged.
serial number 10, party in person. Shri Kenneth.
Yes.
My lords, may I please, sir?
I'm going to file the
Just give
objections
a
in the
copy to
office.
him.
Please, I will serve the copies.
You are Mr. Kenneth.
Yes, my lords. My lords, 23/7, learned counsel was present before my lords because CJI was on his duties on that day. He said 1 week time to be granted. My lords were kind enough to grant him approximately 20 days time. Then again, on the 12th of August, the council requested for time again for 2 weeks. The copy is not been served to me. The objections is not been served yet.
What is the order,
Ready.
Mr.
The order is for visitation on second Saturday and fourth Saturday of every month, my lord.
Okay.
It's a custody, it's visitation orders. And this case is a contempt case that I've
Did you
filed.
avail in between? They have not permitted.
I met my daughter when my daughter was 1.8 years old. She turned 8 years old on the 25th of August.
Yes, 1 minute.
Last date of hearing, my lords, before CJI bench. The court has ordered for the visiting rights on 17th of this month. And I have permitted that. And even in the trial court also, it is permitted, it is ordered that on 25th of this August, 25th of this month, I have to permit the child to, for the visiting rights. No, I do not have any objection.
Will you give us a minute, please?
My lords, I have.
Impression we are getting from his submission is it is second Saturday, the
Yes,
visitations have
No,
been
I do
permitted.
not have any objections, my lords.
25th is not a second Saturday.
Second Saturday, but the thing is, my lords,
24th.
he had filed an application seeking for visiting rights on the birthday of the child.
It's all
And
right.
I
There is no
allowed-
order on that.
Yes, my lords, I obeyed that order.
Very well. Now you are filing the objection.
Objection,
You are
sir.
appearing for the wife.
My lords, yes, my lords.
We'll just give it this.
Please,
thing.
my lords, copies.
My
Just
lord,
take this. We
Yes.
will have it on a short date.
Please.
Now, when is the next visitation due?
My lords, on 14th, maybe 14th.
When is the next visitation due?
24th August was missed. The next is 14, approximately around second week of next.
We will have it next week. Just have it next week.
I have
Please, ma'am.
also filed a memo with that regards for the visitation that was kindly granted by the courts on the 17th to the court in the filing section.
Tell us, Mr. Kenneth,
Yes,
from
my lord.
today and till the next day, there won't be any visitation?
There's no visitation.
It's all right. Then
So
we'll
my
give you a
request
short date.
is, can I
One
hand over the
inconvenience.
memo to the council? I filed
For
it.
what? Memo for what?
This was with respect to the visitation that the court had granted me. So they have given me visitation. The daughter has written a letter to me and which is a little,
No, what do you want to say? What do you want to convey through this memo?
I want to convey that two things. One is fourth Saturday again in the last month was missed by the council.
Okay.
Second thing is the
Just tell us
visitation.
one thing. This would be effectively a response to what he has filed.
What the court has granted me. The court had granted me orders for visitation. So this is with respect to bills and pictures and photographs of that particular visitation is what I filed in the
Take
filing.
it. Just give it to him.
Thank you, my lord.
The learner
One
council,
my lords, the kid is having, the child is having the test on the second week of this. Please, after 21st, any date may be given.
we will give you, see, we will give you a date before the next visitation due in terms of the order.
Please, my lords.
Okay? Now, just say this, you appear for the, which respondent?
Respondent number 2 is deleted, my lords.
Is it, who is Mrs. Shushma?
Sushma is wife, my lords.
Wife, no? So you appear for both of them?
No, actually, the thing is, my lords, in that matter, the Sushma's father was also made as parties.
Wait, so you appear for both?
Yes, no, my lords, Sushma only. Sushma.
Why not father?
No, my lords, actually, it is an order against the wife, my lords, in the trial.
All right, okay, very good. The so-and-so appears for respondent number 1 has filed as would submit that he intends to file reply to the contempt petition during the course of the day. He has supplied a copy of the same to the petitioner who appeared in person. He shall be at liberty. Mr. Kenneth, you can file
Yes,
a
my lord.
response to this.
Yes, my lord.
He shall be at liberty to file a response to the same within 1 week from today. Just re-notify after 1 week.
5th of September,
Much obliged.
September, next,
serial number 11,
just re-notify.
110.
I'm appearing for accused number 1 to 5, my lord.
Ma'am, you have to serve A to 6. Who appears for the petitioner?
Petitioner, I appear for the petitioner.
So you have to serve certain respondents. I think A6 and A8.
I will take the list.
Yes, we'll give you a date. Just take steps.
110,
Next,
serial number 12, Shri Ravi Shankar. 12,
re-notify,
14, 10, 13, Shri Mukkanappa.
re-notify.
25, 10, 14, Shri K. Sridhar. 26, 10. 28, 10. 28, 10.
Serial number 14, my lord.
14, sir.
I have placed a memo regarding regarding the service of notice, my lord, for R4 and R5, my lord, to the respective concealment. As I have stated in the second paragraph of this memo also, my lord, the R6 is not necessary party in this manner. Kindly, it may be reflected in causeless.
Yes, we'll do one thing. We'll just re-notify it. By the time, I think you can serve R4 and R5 the petition copy.
I have served, my lord. That's,
Serve?
yeah, my
Okay. Just re-notify.
28, 10.
obliged.
Serial number 15,
How data?
Venkat Subbarao.
Petitions. 28, 10.
Re-notify.
26, 9. Serial number 16, Krishnamurthy.
Here for the complaint. Another connected matter is listed tomorrow, ma'am.
Will
You have
not
taken
happen.
up along with the same, similar objections has been raised by the office, ma'am.
We'll give you a date. Get that tomorrow's matter to this date.
Please, madam, a short
Okay,
accommodation,
notified.
madam.
10, 9.
Great.
17, Shri Abhinav Ramanand.
Re-notify.
28th September. 18, Shri Srikante Gowda.
Re-notify.
23, 9. 19, Srimati Vinita.
For the complainant, Your Lordship, in this, the respondents have filed in a compliance report, which is partial. In fact, I have filed my rejoinder also, wherein they have not complied the order insofar as my grievance is concerned to the road. That is as it is a forest land, Your Lordship, which is adjacent to my land. And in fact, the third party encroaching the forest land, and she had blocked the stream, putting a bund. And subsequent to the order of this honorable court, after issuance of the contempt notice, they have partially complied. Only they have removed the bund, but the road is as it is. So it blocks
Who has filed the compliance report?
the government has filed the.
See, we find that A1, A2 and A4 are still unserved.
Yes, no, they have served and they have filed the compliance, partial compliance report.
We'll have it, so just re-notify.
I have filed my rejoinder also.
You have filed it, no?
Yes, please, Your Lordship.
10, 9.
Oblige.
Serial number 20, Shimali Patil, non-permission.
In this case, my lord, respondent number 2.
A date may be fixed, my lords, for hearing.
Re-notify.
25, 10.
Please.
Sorry,
Serial
I'm
number
sorry, man.
21,
Yeah.
21.
When I run up to my lord, serial number 14, Mr. D.P. Vivekananda is appearing for respondent, my lord. Thanks. Second.
We'll just take up, just hold on. 20, 21.
21,
In this case, I'm upper for the complaint.
You have to take steps for A2.
It is employment is given, the court order has complied.
Pardon?
The court order had been complied by the respondent.
All right. They have complied.
Complied.
Just give a short date.
9, serial number
Next.
22, Shri Mohammed Fateh.
Appearing for complainant, my lord. There is one more connected matter on 2nd of September, my lord. CCC 356 bar
But
24.
that
may be-
arises from the same order,
Yes, my lord.
same,
Yes, my lord.
of which non-compliance is alleged.
No, my lord, similar order, my lord, not same order. Similar order, my lord.
Very well, just have it on second, let's see.
29,
29.
It may be connected along with this.
I will not say anything, we are having it on that.
Please, my lord.
23, Shri Nanjareddy.
From 8/1,
23.
2010, 20 Millard, the promotion has not been contained.
Re-notify.
Millard, Monday.
Have they filed any compliance?
Complaints they have filed, same thing they have filed, Millard. The
Pardon?
inquiry is pending, that's what they say. But there is no inquiry, Millard, as on the date of DPC.
No charge sheet.
No charge sheet.
We'll see. Thank you. Next, re-notify.
29,
Millard,
24.
the next week, Millard. That's the only come. Monday or Tuesday.
We'll give you a short date. We'll give you a
Okay.
short date. See, there is an issue need to be looked into. Let's be very clear.
That's true, Millard.
Just give a date.
25, 9,
Millard,
24.
Millard, too much.
Appearing for the complainant, my lord.
You lost my kindly here. But for the last 4 years, you lost it. No
All
step,
right.
Millard.
How many days we are now? Henceforth, we are on 28, 24, 26 days. Okay,
Millard,
Next.
Next week.
let's have a purposeful date, please. Re-notify,
24,
Appearing for the complainant.
re-notify.
26, 9. 6, yeah, 6, 9. 25, Shri Ganapati.
In this case, I am appearing for complaint, my lord. That is, learned single judge order has not been compliant, therefore we have filed
Who appears for the other side?
KIDB, my lord.
Okay, they have not filed compliance, no? Re-notify. It's
30th.
26, re-notify.
30th September. 27,
What?
Shiv Shankar.
But this matter, my lord, on 3 occasions, my lord, they had come up and the government had taken time to comply with the, my lord, the order.
Who
The
appears
order
for
was
the-
very clear that they are supposed to mutate the entry. My lord, then it came up on 23/4. That time, my lord, they took time and they said they'll file the compliance affidavit. Subsequently, my lord, on 16/7, the matter came up before your lordships, my lord. There, your lordships gave again time for filing compliance affidavit. They did not do. Then, my lord, on the last occasion, it came before the Honorable Chief Justice on 17/8. My lord, there the learned AG appeared. In fact, my lord, the short date was given because the learned CJ said, I will not say anything, I'll only say, by then you please comply. They were trying to take up a.
He mentioned to the court that he will verify with the officers. A short date will be.
See, how many times 16/7 is how many days back?
Yes, my lord. But
It's
then-
been more than a 1 month. It was 16/7.
16/7, your lordships had passed.
And
Then, my
thereafter-
lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, my lord, that's why they gave a very short date, my lord, the Honorable, and the Chief Justice, my lord, mentioned when the AG was there that I will,
Say re-notify second.
No,
We'll
no.
have it on Monday.
2,
please.
2, 9,
Wednesday, 3rd.
4, 9.
Then your lordship may have it on 3rd, my lord, 5th, my lord.
No, yes, then we will
4th,
have
4th, my lord, 4th or 5th,
4th.
please.
4, 9, sir. Serial number 28, Shri Adinath Narade.
For the complainant, my lords, 1 week's time maybe.
Re-notify. Just take steps.
23, 10, 29, Shri Adinarayanappa.
In this case, I'm upper for the complaint.
Re-notify.
23, 10, 30, Shri Naresh Santosh awaiting service.
Re-notify.
24, 10, 30, 4, 10. Serial number 31, Shri Mali Patil. Thank you.
Re-notify.
30th August, 30th October, 32.
Appear for the complainants in this case, my lord. This is a case where I wasn't enrolled by the State Bar Council. I'm told that yesterday they have called us and enrolled because we filed a contempt petition, but they have not filed any affidavit to that extent, my lord. A date may,
Who appears for them? You appear?
There was a lawyer who.
there was a lawyer who appeared.
Mr. G. Natraj.
Yeah, he had undertaken that he will.
Re-notify.
A date may kindly be granted. They've already enrolled us yesterday, my lord, pursuant to this honorable court's direction.
No, you are sure that they have enrolled you? Otherwise, nothing survives.
No.
That's enough. If you want an affidavit, we'll have it next week.
It'll be good if they file one, my
Next
lord.
week, just give it next week, second, third or fourth.
5-9.
Give
Obliged.
5-9, give fourth or third. Give fourth. Give fourth. 4-9.
4-9, madam.
Obliged.
Serial number 33. 33. Shri Mahesh.
Re-notify.
26-9. 34.
Lord,
Serial number 34.
this honorable court has made a specific order dated 5th June 2024, my lord, for providing the pipeline connection to the canteen within 7 days. This is, my lord, under the woman empowerment concept, my lord, a girl has, my lord, established a canteen under the name and style of bar.
What was the date of the order?
That is, my lord, 5th June 2024.
Who appears for the
Now
respondent?
they refuse to comply, my
The
lord.
objection. Counter affidavit. my lord.
No, but what
And
is?
all-
No,
No, sir, impossible, my lord. That order is, the,
it's only two things. Either you go in appeal, say that it's impossible to implement the direction.
yes, that's why I filed an
Have
appeal.
you gone? Have you filed an appeal?
Yes, ma'am. Filed an
My
appeal.
lord, they have
Happened.
filed review, it has
The
rejected.
direction is to put the line in a private party's place.
What is
They
the
also
date?
filed an appeal.
What is the date in review?
Office
it-
objection not complied from last 2 months, man.
And I
Not
think we
2
should,
months, my lord. Filed only in the month of August.
see, simple. Review listed, stay granted, we'll close these proceedings. Review file not listed, we will take it further.
My lord, a review filed, my lord, it has dismissed on merits. After
Yes,
the
they submitted, my lord, I filed an appeal. That's why the review was,
When was the appeal filed?
appeal filed,
my lord, this is the review order, my lord.
10/31 of 24, my lord. It's the month of July, 15th or 16th I filed.
Where are we today? See, he may have a grievance ultimately concerning water connection.
Not water connection. my lord.
That's the impression we are getting.
No. Sewage line I have to draw.
Well, that also is so equally
In a
important.
private land belonging to the temple.
No,
Very
my
well.
lord, this
Just
is
say
not
next
private,
One minute, just give after 11th.
my lord, urgency is this, my lord.
9.
We'll have it, if you have, you want, we can have it next week.
My lord, may I make my urgency, my lord? May I plead? My lord, from last 6 months, my lord, I am unable to, my lord, open my canteen because of, my lord, sewage water connection is disconnected in the parking area. I am running, my lord, in the private building. My lord, only the existing, my lord, it has been removed.
Third, Tuesday.
Please,
3-9. Serial number 35.
oblige, my lord.
My lords, appear for the complainants, my lords. We are a group of home buyers, wherein the respondents, the accused have not complied with the orders of.
Sorry, if you just come once again, what are you saying?
Sorry, my lords. I appear for the complainants. Matter arises out of a non-compliance of a single judgment dated 2021. There's a writ of mandamus. We are a group of home buyers. So the
Yes.
DC and SR have not complied with the orders of the single
Appears
judge.
for the respondent. We'll have it just re-notify just after 11.
110. Sir, 110. 36.
Oh.
Sri Satish. 36.
Counsel for complaint notes. Notes the order that has not been complied with is at annexure B, page 31. The penalty was imposed on minutes of compulsory retirement. And
Who appears for the respondent?
Sword and unrepresented.
This is state government. You appear for that. So what is your, where is your compliance affidavit? Just say this, re-notify. So give it to-
14-10. 14-10. 37. Shri Devi Prasad Shetty.
For the compliance.
Yes,
For the complainant, no.
it's
Or there's a-
37.
There is a direction to hold election.
See, we find there is no compliance affidavits being filed. I think that we have to take a,
Your Lordship, so unfortunately, we have filed a lot of affidavits. Few matters.
This is in item 37. You will, surely you will say by way of an affidavit. So you should file it, put your stand, so that he can also meet it. Re-notify.
23/9.
Please.
Bill number 38, Srimati Veena Kamath.
Your Lordship, I appeal for the complainant. Your Lordship, this is a case arising under the GST Act. The learned single judge, by an order dated 14th of August, if I may draw my Lord's attention to page number 80,
Yes.
the learned single judge had directed the respondents to unblock my input tax credit so I can use it till the next date. Now, there is non-compliance of this order. Therefore, I file one more application before the learned single judge saying this order has not been complied with. Therefore, a direction may be given to forthwith comply with the directions. Now, that
Now,
application
who
is,
appears for in this matter?
as directed by a lordships, I had informed the learned advocate who was appearing before the single judge as well that this matter is today.
Who is the officer who has complemented?
Your Lordship, this is respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
You show the file. Yes.
Page number 128, if I may draw your Lordship's attention.
Hmm. Which page is the order?
Page number 128, your Lordship. This is the second order where the learned single judge has observed without any further delay, the order is to be implemented. There were two compliances, your Lordship. One is my GST registration was suspended. Now, after intimation, they have made it active. But the second part is unblocking my input tax credit, which I can utilize till the next date of hearing. If my Lords will see page number 129, the second paragraph, learned counsel for respondent revenue seeks time. In the meanwhile, respondents are directed to forthwith comply with the order dated.
Who is the officer who has to comply with this?
Your Lordship, respondent 1, 2, and 3, your Lordship. The directions was against these respondents.
No, but tell us the concerned officer, is it 1, 2, or 3?
Your Lordship, respondent number 2 and 3 can be given notice to your Lordship. Because respondent number 1 is the administrative head. So we had also written a representation saying, please give appropriate instructions to.
Who is the counsel who appeared before the learner single judge?
Jeevan Nirali, sir.
Just call him.
Yes.
Just make an attempt. We'll just pass over. Next 39.
39.
I'm appealing for petitioner. Sir, the respondent number 9. Filed an affidavit.
Re-notify. 40 is mentioned matter, I suppose.
15/10. 40, seal number.
We'll just take it up. After the list, we'll run through the list, we'll take it up. This is the one, yeah, which you mentioned. Take it up.
41, 14%, Shri Mohammed Dastagir.
My lord, I am the petitioner party in person in this case, my lord.
Pardon?
My lord, I am the party in person petitioner in this case, my lord.
Yes.
The
Yes,
date may
Mr.
kindly be
Dastagir,
given.
tell us. We'll have
The
it
date may
after
kindly
some.
be-
We'll give you a short date, just re-notify.
Please, my lord.
Sir, 26/9. 26/9, sir. Serial number 42, Shri.
Obliged, my lord.
It is Krishna.
Re-notify, just give it according to convenience.
12/9. 43.
My lord, in this I appear for the government. My lord, there is some urgency in this matter. If my lord could have this on 3rd, it pertains to construction of a cancer hospital. So if my lord could have it on the
Re-notify.
39.
Right.
There is an undertaking given by the state that may be extended.
Is it a part of the order undertaking?
It is part of the orders recorded and been extended from time to time.
Just show us that.
Oh, sorry. the idea.
Yeah, just say they re-notify on 3/9/24. The undertaking given orally on behalf of the state as recorded earlier shall continue to operate till the next date of hearing.
Obliged, my lords.
44,
I appear for the petitioner, my lords. I pray for a short accommodation, my lords.
Re-notify. 45, re-notify.
30th September,
Much obliged, my lords.
45, Rohit Taras.
Re-notify.
for
I beg to
petitioner,
appear for respondent 9 and 10, my lords. Green bench
Just-
matter, my lords,
We'll
kindly a
just
short date.
re-notify it. Yeah, 46.
1410, 46.
Re-notify. Just help her, just help her. 46, re-notify.
46, 1510, 47, Sri Shankara Gowda.
For the respondents. Appellant in the connected matter. Lord, in the connected matter, interim order, Lord, has to be extended.
Which one, in which matter?
47.1,
In the interim order, if any,
granted on 23.
WA 85 of 2024 shall continue.
Please.
Till the next date of hearing.
Great.
59,
Next,
48, Sri Total.
the appellant for short.
re-notify.
26-9, 49. Serial number 49, Government Advocate,
My lord, I pray for some time, my lord.
Re-notify.
1510. 50, Sri Kevin Narasimha.
Lord, this matter has been heard for some time by the Honorable Chief Justice.
Don't be
The matter is
late.
heard.
Re-notify. We'll just fix a date.
Please, my lord,
Please take a
since it's substantially heard, next week, my lord, may I request for.
See that, we'll see that.
11-9,
Next.
51.
No, do one thing, man. 1 minute, just give it there out.
For 18-9,
Great.
51,
Therefore, appellant in this case, my lord.
Anant Kumar.
Kindly have it on next week, next week, my lord.
Serial number 51, sir.
51.
I'm appearing for respondent.
What is the urgency?
Actually, Honorable Chief Justice has heard the matter partly, my lord.
Okay. Re-notify.
This is not heard, and for
We don't know, we are taking the council submission.
please,
24-9,
We'll work it out before the court.
please.
52, Sri DP Mahesh.
Going for respondent in this case, my lords. Kindly have it on next week, my lords.
I am,
The matter
Is
is.
the urgency?
Yes,
I
the
am,
matter
I'm
is
sorry,
partly
I am
heard.
appearing on behalf of on-record counsel Mahesh, my lord.
We'll have it. See, if you clog the board, then it doesn't reach.
Let's
If you
kindly-
say there
next
is
week,
an
my lord.
urgency, we will consider it.
Next week, my lords.
We'll see it. Just give it a date.
23-9, 53, party in person.
Yes, Mr. Dastagir will give a date.
My lord,
Re-notify.
this is a similar case of serial number 41. This may also be fixed on 26th of September, my lord.
Okay,
26-9, sir.
26/9.
Yes, sir.
that's right.
Obliged, my
54,
lord.
54,
Re-notify.
Sri Ramesh Naik, party in person.
Re-notify.
30th September. 55, Sri
I
Anil Khan.
appear for the petitioner.
One and above.
This is covered by the order of the MOEF itself. So a
Have it
short
some other, we'll have it, yeah.
4th or 5th, my lord.
No, if it goes beyond 11th, we'll have it after 11th. Is there any urgency?
Lord, I'll
Urgency
have
is
to
it.
file my statement in this matter, my lord.
Lord, I am really surprised and shocked. Government, my lord, passed an order in my favor. Central government, my lord, says you,
Just give, we will file it before next day. We'll have it next week then.
My lord, I'm examining it if my learned senior has any. My lord may have it after
Just
the 15th.
re-notify 4th September.
yes,
My lord,
my lord,
4th is too
interim
short,
order.
lord.
On the 20th, my lord, when I made a request, the first court said interim order is extended. But the order sheet appears to show only till next date. I had this benefit for, my lord, 8 years in the Honorable Supreme Court, 10 years, my lord. Therefore, it may be continued till further orders. my lord.
We will just, Mr. Rao, will just see that last order, show us the
Yes,
last.
it was dictated in the court, my lord.
It says next date of hearing. We'll do one thing. We
Yes.
will continue next date of hearing. You can get it continued for further orders. Okay?
It was dictated, my lord, at my instance.
Just interim order granted earlier shall continue to operate till the next date of hearing. You can tell the court concerned.
Yes.
My lord, 4th is too short a date, my lord.
Maybe you can seek a date on that. day.
Very well.
56, Shikalan Basuraj, PI.
Re-notify.
28/10. 57, Shri Yatish.
Re-notify.
30th September. 58, GMRES.
Re-notify.
My lord, this pertains to the dengue matter. If my lord could have it next week, my lord.
Re-notify.
49,
Obligement.
Give 4 doctor.
59, party in person, Shri Mohammad Iqbal.
26/9, my lord.
Re-notify.
26/9.
6,
26/9.
26,
26/9.
60, Shishikant MP.
Krishna. Matter
Be
pertains to my lord's
notified.
admission in sports court, my lord, the matter was heard, my lord, the first court. My lord, the issue is, my lords, the counseling is, my lords, about to begin, my lords, on any day, second or third, my lords.
We'll have it second or third.
Please, yes.
39,
Oblige.
Sorry. That 40 is there, no? You have that password in there. You Just take up.
passed over matters in list number 2.
Yeah, we'll do one. Just take up. Take up those password matters.
Thirty-eight,
Take
serial number
40.
38, Srimati Veena Kamath.
Take 40.
40,
Yes.
serial number 40.
For the petition, Lordship. Very short and significant point I'm raising in petition, Lordship. Lordship, kindly appreciate. Karnataka state has a total MBBS seat. This Lordship.
Since when this rule of regulation
Lordship, this year only I came, the petitioner has applied for the counseling for that reason. Lordship, this is, no, Lordship, what happened, Lordship, what has happened is every year the seat matrix gets changed, Lordship. Every year the seat matrix gets changed. So this seat matrix is approved.
Yeah, just see, we have to test the virus,
Yes, Lordship.
right? You can argue that virus, when it comes to challenge to virus, then you will delay matches. You are right in this. We just want to know, since when this regulation is in place.
So standard procedure is 15% they have to reserve. Lordship, my answer is, I may not be aware about this. That is my answer. Maybe this, I am not aware about this, my Lord. Because since Lordship, when
Which has been tested, let's assume, we tested.
yes, sir.
Has been in place for quite some time. And we got the benefit under that regulation in the rule. What is being asked by you is to set aside that kind of regulation.
No, I am just seeking indulgence of this court for the future, not for the earlier proceedings.
That's it.
Lord, it is on first, now the allotment is going on, Lordship.
So you have to serve with this academic year.
Yes, Lordship, this academic year, this academic year, and this rule, this particular seat matrix was released on 16 August. I came to know on 25th August, Lordship.
This thing. Now, please, come to, let's see, page 2.
Yes, Lordship. Here's to the brief facts, Lordship.
What you're saying is, compared to the other states, this state is offering much higher number.
Yes, Lordship, to the private, other student state.
Since when they have been offering.
Lordship, my submission is that every year seat matrix used to be released just before the counseling. So for that reason, students or the applicants, aspirant came to know about and this year it has been like that. And earlier, I am not aware about the earlier proceedings, Lordship. Earlier year, what is academic year, what has happened? Lordship. Because it cannot be, because every year seats matrix used to change.
Degree or the percentage would remain the same. As against another, as insofar as the other states are concerned, let's assume it is 15%. But insofar as this state is concerned, maybe you say 33%.
Yes, Lord.
So the difference is between 15 there and 33.
Yes,
there
Lord.
is a huge
To use difference, use difference.
As per statistics, how much was the difference and since when?
Lordship, since when I cannot answer at this point, I have to be very fair, Lordship. And in respect of the difference, Lordship, this Karnataka is the only state which is hiring this number of seats to the other state students, Lordship. Lordship, kindly turn to page 8. I had given the instances of certain states, Lordship. In the states like Punjab, Jammu Kashmir, Orissa, Maharashtra, and Gujarat, they are supposed to be closed states. It means other students from the other states cannot apply for the MBBS seat in these states. The states like Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, there is special arrangements are there. The students from the other states can only participate in the second round or third round. If suppose students from that particular states get a benefit at the first round and the remaining states in second round, third round, it will be available only for the states, only outside states. And the states like Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra, all other South Indian states, Telangana, Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. But these 4 states has a very distinct, very different arrangements, Lordship. What they are doing is, Lordship, 50% seats for the 50% seats which is available for the state counseling, they give it for the merit student as a free seats. The remaining 50% seats, Lordship, in that 50%, 15% they take out for a NRI and management quota. The remaining 35% seats, out of this 35% seats, this is supposed to be called as a general merit private seats, Lordship. Here it's a fees, it's some portion government finance, some portion is to be given by the students. In these 35%, Lordship, they divide into 2 categories, category B1 and B2. In category B1, they keep only 15% seats of this out of this 35%. These 15% seats will offer only to the student from the outside of state. Remaining 85% seats will be reserved for the state candidates. In this 15%, there is also another arrangement. In this 15%, the state student also can participate. But per contra to the state of Karnataka, what is their, Lordship? Kindly turn to page number 2. I have just in a tabular form, I have presented all the facts, Lordship. There is general merit seats are 2,699. Lord, this is we got it from the list, Lordship. AF3 is the seat matrix provided in the website of respondent number 4, Lordship. It's on page number 17. This is the only publication they issued, Lordship. Even in the prospectus, the seat matrix were not available. Even it's only in given the seat matrix, when they publish a seat matrix on the website, then only we come to know about the exact numbers of seats. Yeah. As per this table, page number 7, Lordship, the general merit seats are available to. Yes, Lord. Yes, that is only meant for them. No, it is more than that, Lordship. 883 seats they are offering. Out of 2,670. It will be in percentage, it will be around 40%, Lordship. In other states, it is 15%. Some state, it is a closed state. They don't offer at all. Even in another aspect, Lordship, in these seats, 883 seats, the student from state of Karnataka cannot claim. This is exclusively for the other states. These 2 aspects the court has to consider. And this, yes, state person can also apply for the 15% quota. Respondent number 1 is the state, Lordship. Second respondent number 2 is the Rajiv Gandhi University. Third is the Director of Medical Education that state can represent.
You can take notice for the Karnataka Examination Authority.
Karnataka Examination University?
University.
Respondent number 4.
No, my lord, I'll, just,
Yes, Lordship.
please.
I request for tomorrow, Lordship, because
No, first round counseling, my lord, almost it's coming to an end.
no, they,
Yeah, I will, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, lordship.
On-
State statement. You just say that this petition has been filed with the following. Examination
Authority.
and so it's a copy of the.
the deputy will grant you to serve the copy to the standing council of the respective parties. Obliged.
This number, total 2 matters. Serial number 1, Mithun GA.
Hearing for the petition. The office objections is complied a lot. It was respect to filing a translation copy. The same has been complied. I think it's been put up a lot.
No, sir. One office objection.
The translation copy that's been filed.
No, sir.
16:10, my lord. In the meanwhile, I will do the. Please.
Serial number 3, Sri Manu. Serial number 3,
My lord, my lords, I've made a council submission. Annexure H are certain photographs produced in the writ petition, my lords. I have also received the photocopy of them. The registry is insisting I file color copies, so I've made a submission that may be dispensed with. That is the first option. Yes, my lord, they have filed the photographs, but I have been served only the photocopies. There is no way I can get the color copies, and that is not germane to the dispute, my lord, as such, because the second one, my lords, is regarding the translation copies of a few annexures. My lords, the learned single, I have also prayed for dispensation, my lords, because the only ground on which the acquisition is set aside is that the award has not been passed. Award has not been passed. Volume. Yes. Annexure H. Yes, of Annexure H. Of Annexure H.
Translated copies of just the same shall be filed within.
I'll need about 2 to 3 weeks. I'll have to translate them. It's in current 4 weeks. And may I make one submission, my lord? There is another connected writ appeal, my lords, wherein this honorable court has stayed the operation of the judgment, same as on same facts, my lords. And there is also an order to tag that with this matter. May I place that writ appeal number 683 of 2023?
683.
Yes, ma'am. There is an order already in the other matter. In that matter, there is an order, but this matter is still listed separately.
Today there is nothing here.
Yes, madam. Can I just show the? Yes, ma'am. Last line, writ appeals 678 of 23 be tagged along with the present appeal. I think the registry may have no means to verify that because this matter has been independently listed. So it might have been an inadvertent.
This matter is not listed.
Not listed yet, my lord. The impugned judgment has been stayed.
It appeals 683 of 2023. It appears that the ministry this appeal 683 of 2023. The ministry shall actually address the order class on 17/11/23 in 683 of 20.
May I just a
28
request for consideration of the IA, my lords, for stay and yeah, my lords, but the order is different, my lords. The contents are the same, similar facts, but along two writ petitions, 2 separate orders were passed on the ground that award has not been passed. Yes, my lord, I am the counsel in 680.
I am for statement.
Therefore, the state. Acquisition has been quashed, my lord, on the ground that the award has not been passed. The error on the part of the board, my lord, is that the award copy was not placed before the honorable single judge. I have filed the copy of the award along with the IA for additional documents, same as in the other case as well, which I have In this as well, my lord, page 32, my lords will see the impugned judgment. The paragraph, the contents are the same. Page 32 of the page 32 of the memorandum of appeal. Page 32, my lords. Our last 3 lines. When till date, nearly 10 years after the final notification, the award is still to be passed, compensation yet to be paid and possession yet to be taken. This was the premise. Page 32, my lords, last 3 lines. But my lords, award was indeed passed. That factum has not been brought to the notice of the learned single judge at that stage. So therefore, I have filed an application for additional documents in that appeal as well as in this appeal. It's for stay of the impugned judgment, my lords. My lords, I am for the appellant here. Yes, my lord, I am for the housing board. No, my lord, no contempt has been filed. No contempt.
Caveat is filed.
Caveat is filed, but the
Caveat
caveat.
is.
For one.
Just show us your prayer.
Yes, ma'am. At page number 273, my lords. Oh, my lords, the
22,
prayer
my
for.
Who had filed a caveat?
My lord.
Devraju case.
But we have served them, but they have not appeared.
Show us your prayer.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 23, man.
Page 23, my lord. Lords, there is a mistake, my lords, on my part. There is a mistake. There is a mistake on my part, my lord, sir. I am also. Yes, I will.
That application, we have other institute again.
Yes, my lord. Apologies, my lord. There is a.
25-9, sir. Serial number 4. Government advocate.
But each time may be granted.
Serial number 5.
Two weeks.
6. Serial number 6.
Appearing for the appellant, but the only one objection is, my lord, I have not filed wakalat instead of, I filed only memo of appearance. Since it is by the I'll file, but under the High Court Act is permissible, my lord, I can file memo of appearance also, since it is government officials. Government officials. And it's already on record, my lord. It's page 88, my lord.
The objection in view of the filing of the memo of appearance on 6/11.
There are about in other connected matters, the Assam could already issued notice that again, the learned single judge relying on the different orders, learned single relied upon one order of the learned single, again that appeal is already pending. Following that, the Assam court already issued notice to the other matters, and it may be ordered to list.
28-10,
The other matters are 25-9. 9, yes.
25-9,
I may be permitted to serve the council on record before letting in addition to that, my lord. Appellants. First respondent only, madam. Second respondent is the state, madam. Only one, first respondent, second respondent, state, madam. One.
7. Still number 7.
But I have completed all the office subjection except to translation, my lord. Translation also ready, my lord, yet to be stitched.
My lordship. This matter is very simple. It is pertaining to the Kata dispute, my lordship, not title dispute, sir. So what has happened? That I have purchased the 2 guntas land in survey number 40 in 1962, and another 3 guntas was purchased in, and another 3 guntas was purchased in 1968-69. So under these two sale deeds, I have purchased the 2 and 3 guntas of land. Subsequently, that MR was accepted, and later that unfortunately that it was not reflected in the RTC extract. And I have during in the year 2005, the father of the appellant died, and he has made an application to the revenue authorities stating that he is suppressing the fact that he has not sold the property 2 guntas and 3 guntas. So therefore, that the Kata entire 2 guntas 2 acres 17 guntas stands in the name of appellant. Subsequently, I was challenged the same before the assistant commissioner. That assistant commissioner set aside the MR 23/2004 and 5. Then thereafter, they have challenged the assistant commissioner before the deputy commissioner by filing revision petition. Revision petition is also dismissed. Then they have filed a writ petition challenging the order of assistant commissioner, deputy commissioner. So again, they have filed a writ appeal, my lordship.
Please, my lord. My lord, order passed by the assistant commissioner and deputy commissioner, which are relevant, my lord, which were the subject. Please.
They have stated in the statement of objection before the assistant commissioner, deputy commissioner, that they have questioned the sale deeds. That sale deed is created one. If that is the case, then let them file a suit for declaration before the competent civil court. That's what
Nearly after 60 years, my lord, they have approached the assistant commissioner. Not identity of the property is in this dispute. Identity of the property is in dispute.
No,
civil suits are pending, my lord. We will convince your lordship, my lord. We will furnish the translation. A short date may be given.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, they are claiming rights on the basis of 61 and
Identity is an issue.
both.
No.
Both, my lord.
My lordship, that since 60 years and
My lord,
kindly see the statement of objections. Filed it before the assistant commissioner and deputy commissioner. They saying that sale deed executed in favor of father of the respondent number 5 to 9 is a created one, bogus. If that is the case, then let them file a suit for declaration and possession before the competent civil court.
please. But a short date may be given, my lord. It is ready, my lord.
Already, one submission. Already, one submission. The order of the assistant commissioner and deputy commissioner, the order has been implemented. That Kata has been already transferred in the name of father of the respondent of 5 to 9. Yes, my lordship.
Let the English translation come.
Please.
17-9,
Please.
serial number 8, Sandeep Patil. Serial number 8,
Appellate, my lords. My lords, we have to file a translation copy in this particular matter. 4 weeks' time may be granted, my lords.
28-10,
Obliged.
serial number 9, Anish Acharya. Paso. Serial number 10.
And I appear for the appellant in this case. Not-
Next week also madam engage ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
Three matter club.
Yes. In serial number 10, my lord, I appear for the appellant. Madam, the respondent number 4, madam, in the connected matter also filed the writ appeal 791 of 23. Against the same impugned order. Madam, in that case, the notice is not at order. The advocates, madam, appearing in this appeal may be directed to take notice.
I'm the respondent number 4 in the petition and also appear for the connected matter in the appellate, my lord. Already served, my lord.
Connected
No.
appeals are is complete.
Not at issued, my lord. In the connected appeal.
It is 791.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, who state here appears, who here the BDA?
I am appearing for the BD.
The case for 4,
I am appearing for the court.
you appear.
Yes, ma'am.
And,
Yes.
He is the appellant in the connected matter. Hemant Kumar is the appellant, my lord, in the connected matter.
BBMP has been made a party.
Because the BDA now contains, my lord, it is transferred to the BBMP and the BBMP is the authority to issue the kata. No, one the BL Sanjeev, my lord, is appearing for BBA. BL Sanjeev, my lord, is appearing for the BBA in my appeal 3983. New party ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿರ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ.
Six. Where is the position here?
No, madam, they have, no, madam. Madam, in their appeal, the 2 and 3 is the BDA and 4 is, madam, the RBI. I am 4. madam.
BDA just.
Yeah, Krishna, K. Krishna.
State is this. Here the BBMP is not a party.
BDA is not a party.
BBMP is not a party.
BBMP is not a party in this case. I don't know, madam, because I do not see the appeal memo. That is why. Yes.
You have to look into it.
Yes, please.
Here, I think the councils are all are present.
All are present. All are present. My learned friend may kindly be direct me to furnish the copies because the delay, 600 odd days is the delay. I have to file. And yeah, madam.
Seven nine, 7.1. 10.1.
791 or 2, no. 94 of it.
That is different. 4 is different.
Can't hear.
Allow me to take this.
Please, my lords, the other claimant's existence is there in the record itself. The uncle has written a letter permitting me to go ahead for securitization of this asset. The money is with the bank, the property was sold, the balance sale proceeds are in the SB account. The SB account originally belonged to the grandfather. After his death, he had made a will to the grandmother. And now before your lordship is the appellant who's the grandson, the son of the predeceased daughter. Please, my lords, I appear for the bank.
It may be permitted to.
Tag along that appeal, then to be listed before a appropriate bench, subject to the orders of the Honorable Chief Justice.
Please, delay may kindly be condoned. 2 days delay, my lord, I think of, my learned friend is no objection.
It can be condoned. Please, public.
We'll give a day.
Please, my
After 3 weeks, not sir.
lord, 2 weeks, my lord, because my amount is heads up.
Appeal can be independently heard that without his appeal being there.
2 weeks.
Suppose his appeal is allowed, you will not get anything. Not even this, what has been granted.
Please, I
You
understand.
will have it today. That's
Please,
clear.
2 weeks, my lord. 4 weeks is the last.
Be able to clear it.
But after 3 weeks, minutes, please, please.
You get it.
24/9,
Please.
serial number 15. 15, Shri Pradeep Kumar.
Petitioner, my lord. Lordship, I'm a soldier, my lord, served the Indian Army for 30 years. My lord, when the Railway Department, Railway Recruitment Board called for malaria inspectors post, along with the other posts. My lord, I was from the very beginning when I joined the defense itself, my lord, I was trained in the medical services itself. And I was the most eligible candidate. My candidacy was, my lord, is rejected on the basis, my lord, I am not a chemistry graduate. BSc in chemistry is not. My lord, my training and my qualifications, my lord, make me more eligible than any chemistry graduates there. And my lord, the Honorable Supreme Court, the lordship, has observed that if at all, even if there is a training required, even that, with that, the candidates can be accommodated. So, my lord, the rejection at the first instance and thereafter the direction was given when I filed the CET appeal. That was also not considered. So therefore, I'm before you.
So what are the qualification requirements?
My lord, I'm a graduate, my lord, when I retire, my lord, all the defense person who has served more than 15 years get a graduation certificate. That is equivalent to a graduation. Thereafter, my lord, I have this training certificates because all my qualifications since I joined, my lord, when I was recruited, there are 2 types of recruitments that happens. The selected candidates are taken into 2 categories based on their ability at that test, my lord. That is into technical and non-technical. The technical are something is similar to the science subjects. And here this candidate, my lord, he was selected to, he was being put into the medical field, like a nursing assistant. He started working the hospitals, particularly, my lord, the sanitation works and all. And that's why, my lord, it makes him, and that particular observation is made, my lord, in the OA itself, my lord. I mean, in my OA, the Honorable CAT has made an order that considering my qualification, my lord, and the experience, my candidature may be considered.
May make one submission. Page 108. Page 108 of the order of the tribunal. It's remanded back, my lord, to.
It has been rejected, man.
See? This order.
No, my lord, the order was for to consider my. After that, my lord, the railway recruitment rejected my.
You challenge that. It's a fresh call of action.
Annex Sharia, page 36 has to be challenged before the tribunal.
They have complied with this order.
But by rejecting it.
If fresh cause, will challenge the grounds on which they have rejected. Here's the point, and this order which they have rejected is after this order. This
Yes.
order. You better withdraw it, challenge that order.
But with time barred by now, my lord, it may be given a liberty. Even.
Lord, now that the process of appointment is already over, my lord.
No, they are not appointed all the candidates.
Please let him.
My lord, I'll withdraw and file a fresh one.
States that pursuant to the respondent have rejected the representation filed by the petitioner. No, has rejected the claim of the petitioner.
No, my lord, the order, in the order, it was suggested to reconsider my, yes.
Rejected the claim
Yes.
of the petitioner.
Yes.
And the petitioner intends to challenge the said rejection and wishes to withdraw the petition. The petition is accordingly dismissed as withdrawn.
Deliberated. With liberty to, my lord, sir, with liberty to approach.
Liberty in accordance with law.
Oblige.
16, Shravan Lopre.
In this case, my lord, I appear for the counsel, the appellant, petitioner. The only objection is, my lord, regarding the objection statement which was certified copy on counsel submission has been given. My humble submission is that the certified copy itself given by the authority that he is in that is filed. A certified copy while making the Xerox. Objection is regarding the certified, the marks found in the objection statement. That may kindly be looked into and overruled, my lord, because that's issued by way of certified copy by the court itself. I understand, my lord, but the matter in the trial court, in the court, is on 29th for framing charges. This matter is because of the fact, the nature of circumstances in this case. It's the sale deed under which she purchased this property way back in 62. And she has been in possession and enjoyment, filed applications for regularization. It is also pending. Law is that it has to be regularized first. The deputy commissioner directs the Tahsildar to look into the matter. The Tahsildar issues a notice to me in the last annexure, eviction notice he issues, for which I have replied. Before that itself, I have filed application for regularization. The translated for copy at 236, page 236. That is the notice given for eviction for the first time at on 25/4/22. The learned judge does not consider.
The stage of the procedure.
Framing charges. He has rejected my objections also. I have no grounds to stand. No, my lord, I have challenged. My lord, I was given warrant, so I appeared, released on bail, filed an objection statement with all documents. No, my lord, what has happened is that objection statement also is rejected in the impugned order. I'll just point out.
Yes.
That was an error apparent on the face of the record. Now I have no grounds at all to contest. My objections also is rejected.
They have rejected on merits.
Yes, my lord, after considering that objection is also rejected, kindly see page 36. Ink page 36. Objection statement filed by the accused dated 17/11/23 is hereby rejected. Page 36, please, my lord. Order. Objection statement filed by the accused dated 17/11 is hereby rejected. That is also discussed in the body of the order also. Now, if I have to contest the matter on merits, I have no objections also.
See, your merit has not been affected or prejudiced. He has not, if you see, page 34.
My lord, in this writ petition, I have questioned even the cognizance plus the manner in which the challenge has been put forth because of the nature.
What we have understood is by this interim order, he has dealt with the merits also and nothing further survives insofar as you are concerned.
No, the court has taken cognizance saying I am a land grabber. Definition of land grabber. Yes, my lord. Complainant has made out sufficient grounds to frame charges against the accused for the offence punishable under 4 subclass 3 of the Karnataka Land Grabbing Prohibition Act 2011. So therefore, the relevant point in the notes in the order itself is may I read, my lord? This is a case initiated by the Tahsildar Devanalli against the accused with an allegation that the accused has encroached the government Gomal land in survey number 393 to an extent of 1 acre 30 guntas. But my humble submission is, this is actually a resurvey. A revised survey was carried out for this land, and it was resurvey was carried out. That sketch is also produced. In that sketch,
This can be construed as a prima facie ID. That's all. See, come to para 16, page 34.
moreover, the accused can very well confront these documents to the prosecution. Admittedly, accused has not produced original documents or certified copies. It is pertinent, my lord, an opportunity may be given to me. I will produce all originals.
We considering, see at the time of framing of the charge. So what he is saying is, you will get opportunity during the evidence. When you cross-examine or cheat, you put all these documents to the person concerned.
My grievance is on the grounds that my application for regularization was pending.
If we say, the only apprehension appears to be this, and you may be right in saying so, that this must not be construed as a final view.
This is the final view of the court, my lord. All I am requesting is kindly remand the matter, let it be heard with the objections taken on record. I'll direct me to produce all documents.
Yes, what you say,
Lord, para 16 is very clear in this case, Lord.
16 years and so, if other of the observations elsewhere draws a final conclusion against him, what remains for him to prove his
The
innocence?
only thing is that allowing his objection, Lord, he has not produced any documents before the honorable court, Lord. So because the court has clearly observed that in para 16.
Tahsildar only.
Tahsildar is the complainant.
An application
And based
for
upon that,
regularization.
the
is
report
pending.
submitted by the revenue officer, not the cognizance is taken against.
See page.
35.
Immediately,
The complainant, while lodging the complaint, has enclosed the report of the revenue inspector, report of the village administrative officer, Mahajar, wherein it is specifically mentioned accused of the present case has enclosed 1 acre 30 guntas of the government Goma land in survey number 393 of the Devanadi village. On perusal of the RTC extract which is enclosed to the complaint wherein it is specifically mentioned survey number 393 bar P1 Devanadi village is a Karab Goma. Even a perusal of the sketch prepared by the surveyor, countersigned by the Tahsildar in respect of survey number 393 Devanadi village. At column number 6, it is specifically mentioned that the Lakshmi Devama is in the occupation of 1 acre 30 guntas in survey number 393 of Devanadi village. In the said sketch, it is also mentioned that though Lakshmi Devama is in the possession of 1 acre 30 guntas, survey number 393, she has produced documents in respect of the property situated at Budial village. In view of the above, we are of the firm opinion that the
what remains to be proved now against him? Everything has come on record. He's drawing a final conclusion. Could be almost a final order. That's his problem. He says, Though you have now framed a charge, but this charge in such a way, you have finally concluded against it. Nothing remains to be.
Adjudicate.
That's his point. But what is this role of this Lakshmi Devama?
She is the person who is the purchaser and she's in possession of the land. Madam. She is the one,
Use this, 1 acre land.
30 guntas.
1 acre, 30 guntas.
Yes, madam.
No charges against her.
Pardon? Ma'am?
No charges against her. No similar charges against her.
No, no, madam. Only against her son. Actual facts are, my lord, that the whole area was resurveyed and the resurvey sketch was prepared in 2018. They found that this person is in possession from 60 years, 1962. They find that they give a finding that she is in possession along with sale deed. But they they should have regularized because you give an application to the deputy commissioner. That is not yet considered. Deputy commissioner has directed